There, welcome back. It's just a short one. I was doing a service on my lathe because the shafts get gummed up and it makes it difficult changing speed. So I thought I'd do a video to show people how it works. So I thought some might be interested. You got both pulleys they mesh together, and they're both on one of them is fixed, one of them is on slides, and then that makes the variable speed. You can see the one on the motor. I took the spring off at the moment to show you how it works. And you can see the driven one on the spindle there. When I move the lever, that one moves apart or together, whichever way you do it. And the tension would be taken up on the drive pulley with the spring, which would wind the belt out, and that's what gives you the variable speed. So I thought people might be interested. I don't know how many of you have seen this. It's all done on this one, like a rack and pinion. You see the lever there. Those splines mesh into a ridge shaft that as you move the lever, the shaft moves and opens or closes the pulley to do the speeds. It's quite a simple process, really. It works on the whole thing of small to big and big to small to change the speeds. So I'll put it back together and then I'll show you it working. Alright, here we go. You can see as it's running I thought I'd show you it running. You can see on the motor pulley has now got the spring back on, and that's what makes the pulley go together. As I move the lever, you'll see the one on the spindle that moves apart, so the belt drops down, and then the tension is taken up by the spring on the motor pulley. And then you can see as the motor pulley gets closer together, it forces the belt up, so it then goes faster on the spindle. And it's then vice versa when I wind it back down in a minute. As I said, it's a simple process, but I thought some of you might be interested with it. But I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks a lot.